A very good evening to all. I thank you, the Indian Association of Physiotherapists, for introducing me in this platform and given opportunity to share my life story. I have been using lower limb orthotics for 20 years. This webinar is assessment and prescription of lower limb orthotics, a good practice. I like to share my perspectives about case for 12 to 15 minutes. I born and brought up in Bangalore. I'm a first daughter for my parents. I'm a polio victim. You all like allied and health professionals. I don't talk about here what is PPRP and here. I only stress how quality orthosis improved my life and quality of my life. For a uh, first 20 years, my parents and I were not aware about any kind of devices which could improve my mobility and daily activities. I managed my mobility with hand to knee gait for 20 years. For long walking, I used only single auxiliary crutch. You can see in a picture. I studied in a regular school and a COVID, like a school with a regular, not a special school. For except mobility issue, I don't remember I used means like any other devices. I faced any challenges in studies. Yeah, again, I remember like my school principal was very sensitive and he was altering the sports activities, especially for me, and remind me to participate in the activities like extracurriculum activities. I was also proactive girl, so I used to participate and win the prizes. In the school days, it was not much challenges to me. As I went to the pre-university school, has like other adult young girls, I want to dress up like others friends. Then I realized I have a disability because my physical appearance was not same like other friends. Then I felt for some time, yes, I agree, I felt bad and sad. Later I accepted, and I much not worried for my physical appearance. I concentrated on my studies. Only thing I did, I avoided going to the social gathering and ceremonies. Like you can see in my this picture, the picture what I'm sharing, I have a I had a like a ankle, hip, and knee contracture, severe contracture, and the scoliosis also I had it at the age of 20. um, After graduation, I got selected in Mobility India to work as a office assistant. While working, I came across, I understood and interacting with many highly skilled professionals who are working in Mobility India. What is arthrosis? How it help for the mobility for me, and the intervention started from there. So yeah, another 20 years. Uh, you can see the picture. Then I got a corrective surgery, and then quality lower limb orthotic devices like physiotherapy and occupational therapy intervention, and even I got a counseling from my peer colleagues. Yeah. Um, so I had a series of corrective surgeries. With I had plaster. I was in a plaster of Paris for more than 1 year, and then followed to that, my physiotherapist done stretching and strengthening exercises. The corrective surgery did not completely corrected released my hip contracture. Though physiotherapists were trying to releasing to some extent that contracture. And my right hand side, you can see I own my arthrosis. So my arthropist used to do things like every 6 months they were changing. They more concentrated on hip, no, not hip, is a knee and ankle. They were trying to straighten my knee and then ankle. My ankle was going external rotation. They were used to change frequent orthosis to correct and maintain my posture. And initially I was using HK4, and later I shifted to the K4. And With that confident, I resumed back to the work very confidently. I try to use for my commute. I used three-wheeler modified vehicle, and I continued my studies like a master's. Uh, Recently, I finished master in library science, and even after my surgery, I finished my master in business administration. I was confidently going to the regular colleges, not day colleges, it was evening colleges. I was confident to mingle with my friends. So I traveled with my other colleagues to different states in India. I exposed to many surfaces and tried many other devices to use, like auxiliary crutch and walker and wheelchair to manage in the different surfaces. That was trained by my physiotherapist, where to use which devices would help me to go up or come down in the devices. And I got married too in 2010. And again, as I said before, I exposed to many surfaces like a hill area, in water, in sand, climbing stairs, more than 3 floor I can claim. I was claiming, one shot, carrying heavy things, managing household activities alone. It is possible. In many places, I challenge myself why I can't do. When I succeed, it's an amazing feeling. I can't explain in the words how was I felt. This is all possible. And when Shaika sir was explaining before, I wear my orthosis more than 20 hours in a day. It's possible. It is no issue at all in the polio cases. If you have a sensitive skin, then you have to see where you have to remove your orthosis. Otherwise, no issue. You can wear more than 20 or 20 plus hours. I traveled with my colleagues to other countries too, very confidently. I never scared where means orthosis gets broke. No worries. In the last 25 years, apart from I lower limb orthotics, uh, I used almost 12 assistive devices like auxiliary crutch for the toilet. As you know, we are Indian, use the toilet, which is not fine for us to use sometimes. Like we use the toilet chair and A4 night splint. As I told you before, I started with HK4 and walker, pair of elbow crutches, wheelchair, spinal brace, modified footwear, and modified vehicle, handrails, and modified or elevated chair I used for my cooking. In next, I know in the next 20 years, my life will be crucial because I am aging with disability, like my like a post polio syndrome effect definitely attacks me, and other I heard my other friends also facing like a knee pain in non-affected leg or a foot, increased back deformity, back pain, increased muscle contracture, reduced mobility, difficulty in standing and sitting long time. Again, I experienced in the COVID-19 work from the home during the lockdown. In the home, I did not had a like appropriate chair to sit and do the desk job. So I had a severe back pain and shoulder pain. So that it is bothered me much. Like in next 20 years, apart from orthotic devices and other 12 devices, as I mentioned before, I may use many other devices as I old. So AT is for everyone, for everyone, for all the time, not only for the disability. I want to stress out here, like in my perspective, like a good practice is like holistic approach plus multidisciplinary time, team is gives the quality of life for everyone who have a mobility issue and other issues. Like a holistic approach, according to me, is like a proper assessment by skilled person, prescribing appropriate devices, quality device and the training. Just giving a device is not a sufficient. Like as Raju sir has mentioned, is a proper gait training, how to use in a different surface and manage ourselves even we falls down. That is also important. by the physiotherapist, and posterior maintenance, how to do that. We need a support from the occupational therapist, and more accessibility features support we need from the occupational therapist. Again, one advice is given that task will not be gets over. We need a team follow up and team support to maintain the same posture, so same mobility. We need that. This, I feel, it is a holistic approach, and I like a multidisciplinary team. Like it is not just only like a orthotist job. We need physiotherapist, occupational therapist, even community facilitators, counselor. We need a support of family members, and even as a user, I should motivate, should respect their each ideas. Initially, when I was new to this orthosis, professionals were talking in a technical language. I was not understanding about my issues. Later, I started understanding and responding to them. They started listening to me, and I too respect them in all the things they say to me. So this is the way we can bring the changes in the person with disabilities and other person who is going to get the disability in a future. This is what I feel. Everyone has to respect each others and go together hand to hand. Thank you very much for giving an opportunity to share my views and experience in this platform. Thank you all.